That's filming at the moment. Okay, yeah, that's lovely. Okay.
Just see how far up you reach.
Right.
Up with your arm straight. Right, okay, and then step back a bit and I'll pull it back down again.
Okay.
That's all you're going to do is that end of it. Right, this is called the tail end and you're going to hold that. So if you stand there.
Yes, okay.
Right-handed?
Yes, yeah.
So that, hold it in that hand about there, I should think.
Right.
Other hand on top of it.
Yeah.
No, that way up. Because when they go up,
right,
they're going to go up there.
Okay, alright, okay.
You're not going to look up there.
I'm not going up with it, am I?
I very much doubt it. I can't pull that hard. I'm going to pull this bit.
Right.
That rope, keep your hands pointing down.
Yes.
No, don't force them down, just
Okay.
sort of relax down there. So the rope's going to just sort of pull them up.
Right.
When you feel some weight on the end of it,
yes,
very gently but firmly, pull it all the way down again. Don't pull it too hard, because if you pull it really, really hard, I might go up in the air. Okay?
okay.
Relax.
Teamwork.
You're in charge. Right, okay. There you go. Don't put your back into it. Just gently. Just arms. Wait for that weight on it and pull back again. Can you go and wait on the balcony a minute, guys? That's it. Don't look up.
Okay.
Right, don't push it up. Only go as far as the rope goes. So only as far as the rope goes. That's it. Don't let it go slack. Because you're out of control if it goes slack.
Right.
Right. So that's all there is to that end.
Right.
Tiny little bit harder so we can stop it.
Right.
And that's it.
Lovely. Thank you very much.